Hi everyone, welcome to CAD Center Ambernath training videos. In this video, we are going to learn about the array command. Array command is used to get the copy of object in a specific pattern or format. There are three types of array: rectangular array, path array, and polar array. Let's say first we shall see the rectangular array. Rectangular array distributes object copies into any combination of rows, columns, and levels. You can access this command by clicking on this icon, or you can type array rect, or else you can select over here. This way also it is possible, or else directly take AR enter. You can select the object, hit enter, then you will get all the three options here. Then choose a rectangular option. By default, you can see there are 3 rows and 4 columns. If you want to change the number of rows and columns, you can, on the ribbon, there is option for column, rows, levels. Click on the column option and you can specify how many columns you want. Let's say 5 columns I want. I will type 5 and hit enter. Then you can see there are 5 columns you are getting. Now let me change the rows. Let me make it 4 and hit enter. So now there are 4 rows. Okay. Using this arrow, we can increase or decrease the number of columns in the array. And here, this arrow is used for changing the number of rows. And this arrow and this icon, if you click on this, you can increase the number of rows and columns at the same time. And this arrow, with this arrow, we can change the offset distance between the objects. That means you can change the column offset. And using this arrow, we can change the row offset. Okay. By clicking here also, we can change the distance between the column. Let me make it, say, 100. And we can change the row offset also. Let me make it, say, 60. So you can see, we can change the distance between columns and rows by typing the values here on the ribbon, or else by clicking on the these rows, arrows. Okay. So we can make this array associative. That means it will control whether an associative array object is created. That means if you turn this on, after coming out of the command, when you close this array, when you select the array, you will still get the option to change or modify the array. Okay. So this is about the rectangular array. So using rectangular array, you will get the objects in row and column format. Okay. Next is the polar array. It evenly distributes object copies in a circular pattern and the center point or axis of rotation, around a center point or axis of rotation. So I will this time click on this icon. Now let's say I want to get the area of this object around this circle. So I will select this object and hit enter. Then it is asking for the center point of array. So I will click at the center of this circle. Now you can see there is an array of circular array or polar array, we can say, which is having 6 number of items. You can change the number of items by clicking on the items option, and this time I want to make it 12 and hit enter. If you want only 4, you can type 4 and hit enter. Okay. So here you can change the angle between objects. Let me make it 45 degree. Okay. So you are getting the angle between two objects is 45 degrees. And if you want to change the fill angle, let's say I want to change it to say 270 degree. So it has changed to 270 degree. You can change the number of the spacing between the spacing or angle between the two objects, or you can change the number of items in the array using these arrows. Okay. Again, here there is an associative option. After closing this array command also, you will get the option to edit this array. You can, if you turn this rotate item option, it will be like this. That means it is not getting rotated by itself. So if you click on that, what happens? So the object will also get rotated as they are arrayed. Now this is direction. Now suppose I have kept it like this. Now I will change the direction. Now you can see the direction is changed to clockwise. Now it is anti-clockwise. Okay. So this way array command, polar array command can be used. Now next type of array is the path array. It evenly distributes object copies in a circular pattern. This path array, So path array, it evenly distributes object copies along a path or a portion of a path. Okay, let me draw something for that one. Let me draw some line like this. I will draw some object over here. Okay. Now I want this object repeatedly along this curve. So I will choose the path array. This path array. Okay. Now it is asking for the object. So select the object, hit enter. Now select the path curve. Now you can see the number of items are aligned along the curve. Now you can click on this align item and disable that one. Then the object will not get aligned. It will be in the original format. So number of the distance between the two objects can be changed from this option. So let me make it say 80 here. So this distance has changed. We can make it say 40. So it is reduced. Now if you want to change the number of items on this in this array, then you can change it to divide option. Then you can change the number of items here. Now I will make it 10 here and hit enter. So we can change. Okay. Now if you want to change the distance between the objects in an array, then you choose measure option and then you can specify the distance between the objects. Using this arrow also we can change the distance between the objects. Okay. So this is about the path array. So these are the different options used for getting the object repeatedly in different pattern or format. I hope you understood the array command. Do like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.